Are you tired of the same old haircut? Imagine a hairstyle that's effortlessly cool, universally flattering, and always in style. This isn't just a haircut, it's a statement, a lifestyle. Discover why the long shag is the Bohemian Chic secret weapon for any age, and how it can transform your look. 1. Razored shag with full bangs. This cut is ideal for thick, straight hair that needs bulk removed and dynamic movement added without sacrificing length. The full, piecey bangs are a signature feature, expertly framing the eyes and instantly providing a powerful, youthful, and rock and roll edge to the look. The razor texturing technique ensures the layers are soft and unblended, making the grow-out process extremely fuss-free. This style looks effortlessly chic on any hair color, and is particularly flattering for those seeking to enhance a sophisticated, modern texture in their silver gray hair. 2. Long shag with effortless curtain bangs. This is a superb, universally flattering cut, particularly beneficial for fine or wavy hair texture, as the layers and curtain bangs instantly introduce the illusion of density and natural volume. The long, face-framing sections blend smoothly into the overall length. Curtain bangs are highly versatile and forgiving, allowing for easy middle or slight side parting without frequent trims. This is a timeless bohemian staple that works beautifully to soften strong angular features, providing a relaxed and romantic vibe. 3. Curly shag with micro fringe, a transformative cut specifically designed for natural curls, providing much-needed structure and allowing volume at the crown while avoiding the unflattering triangular shape. The short micro fringe uniquely highlights the forehead and brow area. By fully embracing the natural hair pattern, this shag drastically minimizes the need for heat styling and reduces maintenance. This is a contemporary and unexpectedly sophisticated option for anyone wanting a chic, low-effort curly look. 4. Wavy shag with long, blended layers. This option suits individuals who prefer keeping maximum length, but desire enhanced movement and body without aggressive, choppy layering. The subtly blended layers are expertly placed to boost and encourage natural wavy texture. The gentle, face-framing layers effectively preserve length and are an excellent low-commitment way to add shape. It is particularly effective for softening features on a round or square face shape, achieving a casually undone, elegant look. 5. Long textured shag with bottleneck bangs. Bottleneck bangs provide a modern, stylish twist to the classic shag, framing the face by starting narrow and widening around the cheekbones. This offers the flattering benefits of a fringe without the heavy maintenance of full bangs. The layered and textured styling throughout the length is perfect for either adding volume to fine hair or removing unwanted weight from thick hair. This cut provides a slightly more refined, yet still free-spirited and highly adaptable, aesthetic. 6. 70s feathered shag Bardot style. This glamorous, vintage-inspired style uses soft, voluminous layers that are styled to feather gracefully away from the face. It's an exceptional choice for instantly adding significant lift and body to hair that tends to fall flat. The feathered layers pair flawlessly with a deep side part for maximum dramatic effect and retro flair. This cut maintains an air of classic, retro elegance that is perfectly suited for sophisticated individuals of any age. 7. Ultra-long shag for thick hair weight removal. This style is essential for very long and thick hair as it uses internal, strategic layering to reduce bulk and prevent the dreaded heavy or triangular appearance. It retains length while guaranteeing light, airy movement. The subtle, well-placed layers make air drying much more manageable and significantly cuts down on overall styling time, a major benefit for those with long, dense hair. The shape maintains a relaxed, minimalist boho charm. 8. Wolf shag edgy and textured. A popular modern fusion, the wolf shag features shorter, more disconnected layers at the crown for maximum lift and choppy texture. It represents the bold, edgier side of the traditional bohemian and rock-inspired aesthetic. This dramatic cut provides an instant injection of youthful, rebellious energy, ideal for those seeking a highly textured and deliberately unpolished look. It must be styled tousled or messy to properly showcase the layered disconnection. 9. Shag with Piecey and Wispy bangs. Wispy bangs are a delicate, low-commitment fringe option that beautifully softens facial contours. They are particularly flattering for square, heart-shaped, or prominent foreheads, instantly achieving a gentle, airy look. The piecey texture of both the bangs and the layers adds a subtle, almost ethereal quality to the overall cut. This light, versatile style requires minimal daily effort, easily refreshed with a light texturizing product. 10. Bohemian shag with natural air-dry texture. This cut embodies the authentic bohemian spirit. It is specifically designed to maximize and flatter the hair's natural air-dry texture, whether it is slightly straight or wavy, without relying on heat styling. This is the ultimate low-maintenance style choice, significantly reducing heat damage and daily time commitment. It is perfect for those who prioritize a relaxed, genuine, and effortlessly chic natural appearance regardless of age.